In this video, we're going to be talking about what it takes to make an arithmetic sequence. So 5, 10, 15, and so on is an example of an arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence, or what makes a sequence arithmetic, is that each term is found by adding a common term to the previous term. So for example, here we see that to get from 5 to 10, we add 5. So the 5 would be considered my common term, meaning that to get from 10 to 15, I would then add 5. And presumably, to get to my next term, I would simply add 5. Let's do an example. So here we're going to write the next 3 terms of the arithmetic sequence. So we know that they're already arithmetic. So in order to know what to write next, we need to find our common difference, right? Our common difference. I'm going to call that the letter D, our common difference. So how do we get from a 1 to an 8? Well, we add 7. How do we get from 8 to 15? We add 7. And from 15 to 22? We add 7. So here we see that our common difference is 7. So what that means is to find the next 3 terms, 1, 2, 3, might run out of room there, we need to add 7. So to get here, we're going to add 7. So 22 plus 7 is 29. Then we'll add 7 again. Let's try that with the right colors. There we go. So 29 plus 7 is 30. So we have 36. Okay. Then to get from 36, my screen froze, plus 7. So 36 plus 7 is going to be 43. So here we see that our 3 terms are 29, 36, and 43. Let's do letter B. So here we have 6, 17, 28, and 39. So first thing we want to do is find the difference. Now because we already know that it's an arithmetic sequence, we can simply find the difference between 17 and 6. So if I take 17, so if I take 17 and I minus 6, that's going to tell me that we're going to have a common difference of 11. So our D is going to be 11. And so to find our next 3 pieces, we're simply just going to add 11. So we're going to take 39 and we're going to add 11, and that's going to give us 50. Then we're going to take our 50 and we're going to add 11 to that and get 61. And then we're going to add 11 to that and get 72. So what about from -7 to -15? Well, we're adding, but we're adding a negative number. So we're really kind of subtracting here. So here, the number that we have going different is going to be the number 8. So if I owed you $7, how much more would I have to borrow to get to owing you $15? That answer is -8. So here, our D value is -8. So to find 3 terms, 8, we're going to subtract 8 to get to each piece. So for my next 3 terms, I will subtract 8. So if I have -31 minus 8, I'm now going to have a -39. Then I'm going to take away 8 more, and you can use your calculator to do this, or you can think of it like money, which makes it easy. So I have -47. So if I owe you $47 and I borrow $8 more, that means I'm going to owe you $55. So I have a negative 55. And so that's how to find the next three terms of the arithmetic series, or sequence rather, and it's also how to find your common